Easy homemade carrot cake recipe. Carrot cake. Eggs. Provide structure and moisture to the cake. Vegetable oil or neutral flavored oil adds moisture and richness. White sugar sweetens the cake. Light brown sugar adds sweetness and a subtle caramel flavor. Vanilla extract enhances overall flavor. All-purpose flour, the main dry ingredient for structure. Salt balances flavors. Baking soda acts as a leavening agent. Ground cinnamon adds warmth and depth. Finely grated carrots infuse flavor, moisture, and texture. Cream cheese frosting. Unsalted butter provides a rich base. Cream cheese adds tanginess and lusciousness. Vanilla extract enhances flavor. Salt balances sweetness. Powdered sugar sweetens and thickens the frosting. How to make carrot cake from scratch, step by step. All right, let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Now, in a large mixing bowl, whisk together flour, sugars, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and spices. Make sure everything is nicely combined. Next, add oil and butter, mixing well. You want to ensure it's all blended smoothly. Stir in eggs one at a time, followed by vanilla extract. Now, gently fold in the finely grated carrots and nuts. Next, pour the batter into a prepared cake pan, making sure it's evenly spread. Bake in the oven until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Finally, enjoy your delicious homemade carrot cake.